Hi, this is Mark from Right Line Trading. Today is 5/29, 2014, and today we're going to take a look at our trading. We had a really wonderful day today. It could have been better, but we avoided an enormous amount of chop. This was just the one trade I want to cry over. It's this retracement trade, and really the only missed signal of the day. And it was really a gorgeous signal. And should be taken to the woodshed for not getting it. But we had a break, a move up, beautiful move to the downside for 18 ticks. Then we had two bounces off the 50. Now the greater trend, remember we only trade retracements. We had a move down. That's the major trend. Then we have this move to the upside. Let me put these back for you. This is a long retracement, and then a short move back into the major downtrend. And this one went for 9 ticks. It stuttered, hit a first target, started around, came back, did not stop the trade out, then went 9. Then we did it again. To the downside, retracement, and this one went 7. Just missed a second target here. This was a clean first. Then we had a move through. This was a parabolic move, no retracements, no ability to get into this trade to the long side. And that was it for the day. Not much on the Russell. Only this one trade I should have been in. I'm whining about it because I'm really unhappy to miss a trade. That is simply that easy to get into. On crude oil, I'm not going to whine about this. We had a nice move to the upside. Here. Now I just missed this long trade that would have given us a first target. I opened the room just 5 minutes late. It was a perfect break of the 50. But we had this move to the upside right here. A retracement right into the modified 15 here. And the trade waffled on very low volume. So I closed it at -7. Actually, it was -6. The low of this candle was -7. And I closed it 1 tick below the low of the retrace of the pullback. And it never stopped us out. So I closed the trade and took a 7-tick loss that was absolutely unnecessary. And that happens every time I break my ATM strategy, try to outguess the market, and close a trade early. But after we got out, I waited for another retracement, which happened here. And at least we took that money back on a nice 15-tick move to the upside. Then we had a move up on crude inventory report at 11 o'clock. No way to get into that trade. It was right into a pivot, and it was actual inventory news. And we're not going to trade the news. Then on gold, we had a really beautiful trade. Right here. With a move up. Whoops. Now we want that retracement to be right off the modified 15. We don't want to take a hanging candle. We want it to come back right into our trend line, right into support. We did. Up it went for 15. Now, you either stick by your rules or you don't. And the only thing that kept us from taking this really gargantuan trade to the upside was this pivot. This pivot stopped the previous move, and it really helped us out on many, many other trades today in keeping us safe. So it kept us from getting stopped out on multiple moves. So we weren't able to get into this big move to the upside. But that's just the way it is. We do not trade into unbroken pivots, unbroken trend lines. That's our rule. We live by it. We die by it. And we know from looking at a year of market replay data, your equity curve at the end of the day, week, month, and year is going to be better if you stay away from trades like this. This would have been a nice second target win for us, but it was very risky trading into this unbroken pivot. So we finished out the day with nice equity. We had 4 trades, 4 winners and a loser, and that loser was unnecessary. We could have had 4 winners and no losers, the -7 eliminated, and just have the Russell +9, +7, crude +15. We could have eliminated the -7, but I closed it early, re-entered to get 15. And on gold, we had a 15 tick winner. We take 2 off at 5 and 2 off at 10. Our net ticks were 39, but we had $560 in net equity. Now, the Auto Trader had 11 wins and 1 loss in its last 12 trades. And today, so far, it took 2 losers. And they were gorgeous, gorgeous losers. This was one of them. A perfect retracement. Right here. Just didn't go. Whoops. And there was another loser on gold. So the Auto Trader is down 2 today. It's giving a little bit of its money back, but you know we can't roll at 11 and 2 forever, and eventually the Auto Trader is going to get nicked. But I'll tell you, it's taking perfect trades, and those losers each went 4 ticks. And for the want of 1 tick each, it could have had 2 first targets. So we did real well in the room. We made $560 today, very minimal commissions, just 5 trades. That's what we're trying to do. We're trying to go 3 and out, or 4 winners and a loser. We don't want to run up 10 trades in a day. Each of these trades costs $20 approximately. Some people less. You round out around $5 a round trip. It's going to be probably $4 a round trip on the Russell. But you know, you're looking at between $15 and $20 a round trip. So we want to keep those commissions to a bare minimal. Now we're going to be rolling out really new software, a new addition to our software, and we're going to have a webinar on Online Trader Central. We're going to be sending out the link to everybody in the very near future. It's revolutionary software. It is something that you will never see in another trading room ever. No one ever has the confidence in their software to do what we're going to do and start doing next week. Come on into the room for a free trial, and you will see it in action. So sign up for actually next week, but come on in tomorrow, and your free trial will extend into next week. So go to www.rightlinetrading.com, and you'll see a link to our daily equity curve in the room, daily equity curve for the Auto Trader, a link to our to sign up for our weekly newsletter. You can also the link for the free trial. You can email us at info@rightlinetrading.com, or you can call us anytime at 1-855-765-6681. So we are profitable day traders. We make money for our people every single week. We have not had a negative equity week since we opened the room. So have a wonderful, wonderful afternoon, and I'll see everybody hopefully in the room tomorrow. Bye-bye.